Kindergarten. So we have a brand new sight word today. Our new sight word is her. Her. Can you use the word her in a sentence? Have you seen her cat? I really like her bracelet. Her idea was awesome. Our new word today is her. Kindergarten, what I need you to do now is go and get your her worksheet. Make sure you have a red crayon with you. And if you have something at home that has texture to it, that's a little bumpy, like our bumpy strips, go ahead and go get that too. You might use a placemat. My placemat, if I flip it over, has bumps on the other side. Go ahead and go get all of your things and come back and we'll get started on your worksheet. All right, go ahead and take out your red crayon. I don't have a red crayon or a red marker, so I'm gonna use black, okay? So go ahead and take out your red crayon and let's go ahead and let's trace our word her and make sure that you have something bumpy underneath. While we trace, remember, we always say each letter and then we underline it and we say the whole word. Here we go, 3 times. H, E, R, her. Let's do it 2 more times, kindergarten. Here we go. H, E, R, her. 1 more time. Here we go. H, E, R, her. Good job, kindergarten. Go ahead and put your crayon down. Let's load, tap it out, and pound it 3 times. Here we go. Her. H-E-R, her. 2 more times for me. Her. H-E-R, her. 1 more time. Her. H-E-R, her. Good job, kindergarten. Please take your finger out, wiggle it awake for me. Thank you. You are going to go ahead and you're going to touch the word that you wrote with your red crayon, and we're going to trace it with just our fingers, saying each letter name, and then we're going to underline and say the whole word, just like we do in the classroom. Here we go. H-E-R, her. 2 more times. H-E-R, her. 1 more. H-E-R, her. Good job, kindergarten. Would you please take your finger out and would you please point it at Miss Stahler and would you write it right here on my nose, please? I'll say the letters with you while you do it. H-E-R, her. Be careful, kindergarten. Be careful of my nose. Here we go. 2 more times. H-E-R, her. Ooh, tickled that time, guys. Okay, 1 more. H-E-R, her. Ooh, thanks, kindergarten. Would you please go ahead and take out your red crayon and you're going to write it 3 times while looking at the word. You can look at the word this time. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and do that and I'll see you when you're all done. Looks good, kindergarten. Okay, now comes the tricky part. I need you to find something like a book or a paper, something, and I need you to hide all of this because now you're going to write it with your red crayon 1 time down by the little thought cloud without looking. I know you can do it. Go ahead. No peeking. All right, kindergarten, were you able to write it without looking? I bet you are. You guys are really good at that part. The last thing you're going to do is write another sentence for me using the word her. Your sentence today is, this is her ball. This is her ball. You should have some lines down at the bottom. Use a pencil when you write. When you're all done, you can flip it over like a pancake and you can illustrate right on the back. This is her ball. I'll see you when we check it. All right, kindergarten, let's go ahead and check your sentence. The first thing we need to look for is an uppercase, a capital letter. Does my sentence start with a capital letter? Good job, Miss Stahler. Now we need to check for either a question mark or a period at the end. Let's check. This sentence needs a period at the end. It's telling me something. We need to check for those finger spaces in between our words. Yep, looks good. And would you please read it with me so that we can make sure that it makes sense? Here we go. This is her ball. When I wrote the word ball, I realized that the word ball has another one of our sight words in it. It has the word all. So all I had to do is figure out the first part. All, ball. Kindergarten, would you please find your red crayon? I'll use my black marker. And let's underline our sight word her. Can you find the sight word her and underline it, please? Looks good, kindergarten. If your sentence looks nice and neat, go ahead and give yourself a star. Awesome job, kindergarten.